from what you are writing now, you will see that I will publish a book with it. Tell me when you woke up, the time you woke up, how you took your bath. It must be a complete story. I woke up so time, my name is this, I woke up so time, I did my prayer. Remember maybe some of you went to mosque to pray. Some maybe they did family prayer. I prayed. After prayer, I took my breakfast. After breakfast, I dressed up for school. People tell me how you cream your body. Tell me the name of the cream you use. Yes. Tell me yes. It's part of the story so that you are informing me. What's about you? You understand me to go. Mommy told me to go and fetch water. How many people fetch water before they bathed yesterday? Oh, that's a story. Tell me how you went to fetch water. Did you use bucket or bath? Bath. That's a story. Come on. Think. Just begin to conjunct it, your thinking. Begin to put it together in writing. Just continue, begin to write. Write to. It's as simple as ABC. Just narrate yesterday what happened.
For you to be a leader, it has to start from foundation. Somebody say foundation.
Foundation.
For you to be a leader, you have to start from where?
Foundation.
Say, I will be a leader.
I will be a leader.
And because I want to become a leader. Say, I will be a leader.
I will be a leader.
Because I want to become a leader.
Because I want to become a leader.
Everybody will listen to you when you have something to offer. Hello? Do you know the benefit of reading? The innovations that have been made in 18th century, you can know about them when you read. Where you are going in the future that you have not been to, you can know about it when you read a lot.